Here from Orlando, Florida, it's HIMSS 2019, as this is CommonWell TV. Scott Adams here with you, as we're introducing you to some of our CommonWell Alliance members. It's time now to hear from WoMBA and their CEO, Rowe. And Ellie, why is interoperability so important to your organization, and how does that drive your overall means for CommonWell?
Interoperability is not just so important. Interoperability is our entire focus, the main core driver of our business, and what we believe so much in being a true consumer-mediated exchange. Interoperability allows multiple different dispersed systems to share data across, and most importantly, puts the power back into the patient to be able to give them access into their data.
CommonWell has worked hard this past 6 years, overcoming obstacles and making advancements. Where do you see maybe the biggest challenge here as we move forward in 2019?
CommonWell certainly has done more than an incredible job under the amazing leadership of Jiten and the entire CommonWell team. And I think the richness of the data is, as far as we're concerned, the key challenge. It's great to be connected. It's great to have meaningful use and operability and interoperability. But without having a richness of that data, to be able to really dig deep and create a deep dive into that data, to be able to share that with providers, with facilities, and with patients and their caregivers, it's less meaningful than if you had the full 360-degree view across the healthcare continuum.
So WoMBA has a patient verification platform, and we'd love to hear a little bit about that.
You know, I'd love to take credit and think that we started and to make it a patient verification platform just with some sort of wonderful vision. But in fact, it's by default, not by design, the power of our system. Our system's called Me Only, and today there's a need for multi-factor authentication. Me Only is a unique biometric, multi-factor, but single point and single step biometric authentication. What happens is, using Me Only, it's a combination of government ID, liveness detection, biometric authentication, and it enables a facility to be so sure, beyond the shadow of doubt, based on what we call the eDNA, the electronic DNA, the encryption that we put together about an individual that gives us access on behalf of a consumer or patient directly into their digital platform. It's really an amazing foundation and the key and data entry point for all of our interoperability data.
And finally, how has IT interoperability really advanced since when you became a member of CommonWell, and where do you think that's going here in the very near future?
That's a fantastic question. I think so much has changed over the last few years while we're watching it. I think many organizations were siloed and had their records into themselves. The real question of who owns the records, it was always, well, maybe my doctor, maybe my healthcare facility, maybe it was my EMR company, maybe it's my Rowe or EHR or EMR or local, different HIE. Today, there seems to be a huge push by the government, which we're tremendous supporters of and proponents of, to give that power to the consumer, to give the power to the patient to truly access that data. And the data holders are playing very nicely in the ability to be able to upload it. And WoMBA is fantastically positioned to be able to share that data with people that need it, with Me Only as the securing and authentication platform.
Working hard as one of our CommonWell Alliance members, WoMBA. And for more information on them, we invite you to log on to CommonWellAlliance.org. Thanks so much, Ellie.
Thank you so much.